step into the future of AI interaction as we unveil the experimental Gemini 2.0 Flash. Today, we're diving deep into the unique interface of Gemini 2.0 Flash, the experimental version that offers advanced users a glimpse into what's next for AI capabilities. First, notice the streamlined design it's built for efficiency, allowing you to interact more directly with the AI's powerful processing. Let's try a creative text generation task. We can prompt Gemini 2.0 Flash with a complex scenario, like generating a narrative from the perspective of a sentient AI observing human history. Observe how quickly and intricately it weaves together the story. The real power here lies in its ability to process nuances and generate sophisticated outputs. This isn't just about simple answers. It's about exploring creative frontiers and deeply complex information synthesis. Now, let's explore a more analytical function. Imagine asking Gemini 2.0 Flash to break down a complex scientific theory and explain its implications for future technology. Watch as it generates a comprehensive and insightful explanation, demonstrating its advanced reasoning capabilities. This experimental version is designed for those who want to push the boundaries, experiment with cutting-edge tools, and understand the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. It's a powerful tool for exploration and discovery. Remember, this is an experimental feature. We encourage you to explore its capabilities responsibly and safely, understanding that it's a glimpse into the exciting future of AI. Join us in shaping the future of AI by experimenting with Gemini 2.0 Flash.